So Tommy and Rhea are having lunch right near where Tommy works. And all of a sudden you hear this very loud howl. And Rhea asks Tommy about it, and he says, oh, that's Chad Gray Poupon Wolf. Yeah, Homeland Security. A fella. Went to school with a Jerry Wolf. And sure enough, across the street, No-Tell Motel, out walks Chad Gray Poupon Wolf. Homeland Security guy. He's straightening his tie and gets in his car, looks around, and of course drives off real quick. Then, sure enough, FBI Director Christopher Wray walks out, straightening his tie from that same room at the No-Tell Motel. Drives off, then, sure enough, Greg SAMPOGNARO walks out. Yeah, Greg, I went to school with Greg SAMPOGNARO. Straightening his tie and gets in his car and drives off. You know where my fun stuff, my mean stuff, my son of a carpenter and Mary, skyscraper son of a carpenter and Mary stuff ends? When you pick up your phone and you make a video of your family's lifeline being hijacked. Call all three of those. Try to call me within my speakerphone.